Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour on CNBC-TV18. It's just a 20-point gain that we are seeing right now for the markets. We have seen, a little bit of a slip in the past few minutes. It is the Nifty Bank where we're seeing some cuts come through. 150 points low on the Nifty Bank. The PSU banks are doing fine, but it is the private banks which are seeing a bit of a cut. So let's see how you should trade this market. Mitessh Thakkar of earningswaves.com joins us now for a technical check. Mitessh, last trading session of the year. How would you look at this one?
So, I think, there was a gap up in the opening and we kind of hit the 21-day exponential average, 20-day moving average and the 12-9 and tapered up from there. So I think today's high becomes an important pivot. I in fact talked about 18250 as the key level to watch out for. So I think only about that will we go long on the index. Otherwise, in case the selling intensifies in the second half, then I think we'll even explore buying into put options or selling call options on the index. But on stock specific side, metals and other sectors have been doing well. So some of them, IT stocks are giving reversal. So maybe explore long till then, hope that the upside momentum can still see this pullback really expand. So I have a buy on Emphasis with a stop just below levels of 1970 for targets of around 2050 on the upside. And the other stock which I like is Bajaj Finserv. That's a buy with a stop at 1540 for targets of 1610.
Okay, that's on Bajaj Finserv. Mitessh, thanks a lot for that. I wanted your thoughts also on just some, before we let you go, some of the biggest losers this year, which have been the IT names. Any kind of turnaround that you expect in the near term, if not for today, tomorrow, but do you think this is a good time to at least nibble into some of these IT names?
As I said earlier, I think, IT is a sector which is showing some reversal from the lower levels. So I had a buy on Emphasis, but even stocks like Persistent Systems, they are now showing signs that, around 3800 is some strong base being built and some kind of reversal can happen on the upside. What is, of course, not very positive is the fact that the stocks like Infosys or HCL Tech haven't given any kind of significant traction on the upside. So I'm waiting for that. Once that happens, I think then the Nifty IT could gain more momentum.
Mitessh, thank you very much for that. In the last 10 minutes, there's been a further correction coming through in names like Maruti and Tata Motors. Maruti is down 0.3%, while Tata Motors is up 0.9%, but it slipped from the day's high. And you can also see Britannia ticking lower. Along with that, you've got Axis Bank, which has given up a bit of ground. There you have some of those charts where you are seeing a bit of a slide, bit of a profit taking coming through in the last 10 minutes. The Nifty is holding on to the green line by just a smidge, up currently 25 points or up 0.1%. Get into a break. On the other side, we'll discuss the way forward for the markets outlook 2023 with Sampath Reddy of Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance.